Recently won a giveaway from Kim.LuxMom. I'll leave her channel down below. I wanted to share with you all what I got. This particular giveaway, I'm giving it to my mom for Christmas. I love the Hermes packaging. It is so beautiful and luxurious. I'm definitely going to try and put the ribbon back the same way I got it. I just wanted to share with you all what it is. So this is a beautiful gift set. So this set includes a perfume, a travel perfume, and lotion. So this bottle is so pretty and it has a little twilly on it. She had said she was going to have Lux Mom engraved on it. It doesn't look like it, but this is still very, very pretty. So excited. I hope my mom loves it. And I can't wait to see what she thinks.
How pretty!
Look at it!
It's perfume. Okay, perfume. How pretty!
She loved it. She thought the perfume smelled really good. And I am so happy, even though it's March, she finally was able to come pick it up. And thank you so much again to Kim.LuxMom. Go ahead and check out her channel. I'll leave it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.